Hey, before you even boot it up, picture this: you press power, the fans spin up silently, and the Y40 Pro doesn't just run, responds. Every click feels instant, every command feels sharp, and everything you do feels like it's finally matching your pace instead of lagging behind it. This is for the kind of person who feels when performance isn't quite there, when frame rates dip just as things get intense, when rendering pauses mid-flow, when multitasking feels like compromise instead of freedom. You've tolerated systems that cough under load long enough. Before anything else, check the current price and stock. Powerful PCs with this kind of balanced hardware don't sit at great deals for long. You knew it was time to upgrade when your old rig started struggling: stutters in gameplay, long load times during heavy projects, hesitation while switching between tasks. That wasn't random, that was your instinct telling you that mediocrity isn't your lane anymore. Once this becomes your everyday machine, something shifts. You stop closing background apps. You stop planning your workflow around your hardware limits. You don't manage performance, you experience capability. And that relief, the kind you didn't even realize you were missing, that's confidence. Picture how this plays out in real life. You're deep into a match and every movement feels fluid because that RTX 5070 Ti pushes frames without hesitation. Then you're switching to creative work, editing large files, previewing heavy timelines, exporting with speed, and it doesn't flinch. Later, you're multitasking with a dozen apps open, and nothing stutters. You don't wait on your system, you use it, the way you've always wanted. The performance doesn't feel raw or chaotic. It feels purposeful, like it knows what you're asking it to do and just answers you instantly. That's ownership pride, where you look at your rig and think, yeah, this is mine. Don't wait for weird price swings or a limited stock. Every time you glance at weaker options, you'll circle right back here because deep down you already know how settling feels, and you're done with it. If you're on the fence wondering whether a PC like this really makes a difference day in and day out, that doubt disappears the second you actually use it. The power of that Ryzen 9 with the RTX 5070 Ti doesn't just handle performance, it smooths it out so everything feels effortless. Here's something most people don't expect until they live with it: your setup feels capable. Not loud. Not dramatic. Capable. You stop wrestling with your system. You command it. You feel in control instantly. Games run fluid and responsive. Heavy workflows feel effortless. Everything reacts without delay. You're proud of how it performs. It's not the quietest under full load. Size and RGB aren't subtle. At some point, you stop comparing specs and start listening to what your instincts told you all along, that this is the setup you already pictured yourself using. Once you've felt this level of capability, anything weaker suddenly feels like a step backward. Don't let this be an upgrade you delay and later regret. Check the price, see if it's in stock, and step into the machine that finally keeps pace with how you play, work, and create.